Go.
Let's go. Lock the door. A lot of shady people around here. Good morning, Mike.
Good morning, Josh.
It's a lovely day.
Yeah, it's Tuesday, February 13th.
Yeah, be careful. Slippery. Screaming. Whoa! Screaming beach weather today. I almost lost it there. Baby steps, baby steps. Alrighty. You know, sanitation should really come here and shovel first, I think. Who needs the streets? They closed the schools like last week. Oh, it's gonna be a little bit of snow. Nobody's allowed to go to school. 2 inches, it's too tough. Back in my day, bro, we walked to school in like 400 feet of snow. Yeah, that's what I'm sticking to. All right. What is this, a marathon, bro? What are you running? Oh. At least the waves are calm. Ha! Alrighty. Here we go.
Do it.
Let's do it. I wonder what the water temp is today.
Shit. Fucking cold. Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh shit.
All right. Whew. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo! Oh, it's rocky today.
It's very rocky.
Oh. The bird's coming towards us. Don't poop on me. Although it might be warm. Poop. Oh.
Oh, I'm not ready for today. Yeah, I'm not ready.
You're not ready what, to get in? We're already in, bro. We're already in. Whew. All right, I think this is the one. Going in. Whoa! Yeah, buddy! Woo! Oh. Ooh. Ooh, snowy background picture. You ready? Oh, look, you got snow on your eyebrows, snow in your hair. Today we're giving a shout out to Santa Claus. Thank you for coming once a year. It's very wavy.
Very wavy.
Whoa. Oh.
It might be high tide.
Well, we don't usually come here this early. So that could be a difference too. Is that high tide? You're the science guy, not me.
The tide change, like high tide changes throughout the days and the years and all, and the months and shit like that. But just look how high the water's going up the beach.
Yeah.
Did you happen to notice what time we went into the water on your count on your?
Well, I could tell that we've been in from my camera.
Because it doesn't. Because if you started from the car, then it's wrong.
Well, so it's been a total of 4 minutes. So we probably
It's probably only been like
2 minutes.
Not even, dude.
Yeah.
Like fucking 40 seconds.
Yeah.
That's the only bad thing about starting from the car.
It's the timing you're saying.
Right, unless you would have made a mental note.
Well, I mean, today is one of those days where I say, if you feel like it's time to get out, then it's time to get out. Because, you know.
Is it one of those days where you wake up in the morning and you feel like saying, what's going on?
The people who say the best part about waking up is folders in their cup. Never jumped in the ocean, baby! Woo!
They never took a fucking ship in the ocean in the middle of fucking February.
After this, I'm going to conserve my energy till it's shovel time. Ooh.
Bro, this is pretty fucking cool though. Can you show the viewers what we're seeing with that way?
Yeah. Enjoy the loveliness, viewers. I want to see in the comments. Ooh. Ah. Look at the beauty.
Look at the beauty.
Look at the beauty of Fort Wadsworth, Staten Island. All right, what do we want for a background? Because I'm going to make us do a live video picture pose in case I want to take a picture of this.
Do two. Do one of that, one of this.
All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, pose. Make it awkward. Keep it. All right. Okay.
My hands are killing me, bro.
Yeah, I think it's time to get out.
Yeah.
I would say that we were in
picture
here.
or no?
Yeah, what do you want in the background?
I don't care.
of this?
Let's just do it and get out.
Okay. All right, let's run to the freaking car, bro. It's cold. Red nipples. Stop recording.
We did it.
Well, my voice recording doesn't want to work.